In this video, we will learn how to create a quick quote for a part. A quick quote on a part is when you want to just assign a value to a quantity on a quote without having to set up the engineering master in order to create or calculate the price on the quote. To set up a quick quote, you'll navigate to the part. You'll click on Quotes. We're going to create a new quote. We'll select the contact or fill in the contact. And then for the quantities, instead of doing 1, 5, and 10 as we normally would on a quote, we will click on the button Quick Quote. And it lets you fill in for a quantity of 1. The price will be $52.25. For quantity of 2, the price will be $49.99. And for quantity of 10, the price will be $35.99. So we see here that I have filled in the quantity and what the price for each quantity is. We'll click the button Save. We'll see now that the quantity says Quick Quote. I'll click on Save Quote. We'll see that we have this notification letting us know that it's a quick quote. And we can see that the price is what we typed into the quick quote. So when we look at this quote, we see that 1, 2, and 10 are the prices that we gave for the quick quote. To remove the quick quote, you'll click on the Quick Quote button. You'll click on the Clear. You'll click Save. Now you would need to fill in the quantity separated by a comma. We'll click Save Quote. And we'll see now that the price is different because it's calculated based on the engineering master. So that's how you create a quick quote inside of FloorVisio.